No, all right. So, what's your favorite snack, God?
Chips.
All right, what kind of chips?
Any chips that I can eat.
I mean, good answer. Good answer. Like, what's your favorite like late night snack? You feel me? Like, you went to sleep, you wake up in the middle of the night, you go downstairs. What you try and get to eat?
I mean, I already like my room is already downstairs, but if I had to like go to the kitchen, grab some, eat some leftover chicken, if I have some like any leftover food I have.
All right, all right. How about you, Maroon? What's your favorite snack? Like middle of the here, let's go in order. Beginning of the day, you wake up. What's your favorite snack? Like breakfast or anything?
Oh hey yo, I sent the server to everyone, so everyone should see it. Wait, since how the hell?
Hey, God.
Yo, how the hell did she?
What? What?
Yo, I bet you on Discord. Holy shit.
I would just join it to join it. God. Yo, God. What? We're going in order, alright? What's your favorite snack in, like, the morning? Like, you just woke up in the morning. Or you, Maroon. Because I'm trying to make a YouTube video out of this.
Yo, I might need to delete it.
Why?
This person's actually willing to leave Discord, and I don't want to go that far. No! No, 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 no. I'm deleting. I'm deleting that. I'm deleting that. I'm deleting that. I'm deleting that. No, 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 no.
What? They didn't even say nothing.
No, no, no. I had to delete it. I had to delete it. Oh,
Why?
Oh, no. No, I'm not trying to be the one with the bloody hands. What the Bro, why is she going that far?
What are you talking
What the
about?
hell is wrong with her?
What are you
So
talking about?
whenever, remember I said out. So whenever you know that one girl, right, lady, whatever her name was.
Yeah.
So she's in that server, and I was planning to dox the whole server,
Hey,
dox the
hey,
server
hey!
she's into this
Don't
server.
say nothing about that. Don't say nothing about that. Cause like I'm in a YouTube video.
No, no, no. I was planning to send. Cause I know y'all like to do stuff and y'all like to mess up servers, so I wanted to give y'all the opportunity. But as soon as she said you better delete it right now, or else I'm stabbing this knife right into my heart, I had to delete that shit.
Hey man, that's not
Like
her.
she just literally. Oh my god.
Hey,
Bro, this girl was going so far, she was willing to commit suicide.
hey, that's her fault, not yours. Anyways, let's keep it
What
on
the?
topic. Let's keep it on topic of
Bro,
what's your favorite snack? Slice 'em. God,
nah, but nah.
you got yes,
How
God.
about not worrying about that? Bro, no. That ain't. I'm realizing I'm being just fucking cruel. Holy sh. Nah, I need to be put down. I need to be. No.
All right, God. I'm gonna like bring you down if you don't like, if you like, and I can stay on topic because I'm just
And I
trying.
got banned.
I
You know
got
what?
banned. I got banned.
Nah.
I got banned in the server for exposing someone for making furry porn. That is very, very bad.
Alright. I might, do me a favor. Get someone to kill me. I need to be put down.
All right, Maroon. We're gonna go. All right, what's your favorite snack when you just woke up? Like you get out of bed, you go downstairs, you go to the kitchen. What's your favorite snack?
I don't really like eat snacks in the morning. I just wait for breakfast. But if I'm like that hungry, I'd rather eat like cereal without
Okay.
milk.
Oh, wow. Okay. All right. It's middle of the day. You already had lunch. You hungry again? What you eating?
That depends. If the best in my thing, the pantry, but I'd probably eat chips.
All right. What kind of chips?
My favorite kind of chips are Doritos.
Which flavor? Which flavor?
Uh, Nacho cheese and spicy nacho. Those are my
Alright.
favorites.
W. I mean, me personally, I like Cool Ranch and actual spicy Doritos better, but there's still Doritos in
I like
general are
Cool
just a
Ranch
W.
too. But
Um,
see, like Cool Ranch is like the only kind of like flavor of chip Doritos, if that's like the only one there.
alright.
Hello, my Negroes.
Oh my God,
Who
bro,
started this event, first of all?
bro, I'm just trying to do a
Who
YouTube
hosted
video.
this?
Me,
Oh,
I hosted it. I'm trying to do a YouTube
My
video
bad.
of what's y'all's favorite snack. I mean, y'all can be in here just as long as y'all stay on topic. After that, I'm gonna tell y'all when the YouTube video is done. Alright, thank you, Maroon. I'm
can I
gonna
say
move you
one
back
thing
to
before I
audio.
go? Can I say one thing before I go?
Yeah.
Wait, what's
do
your
y'all prefer?
Hey,
Do y'all
everyone.
prefer Latinas or Africans?
What?
My dad is a Latino, but I'm African.
So, like, as a girl, like, who would you date? A Latino or African?
I'd date a Latino if she got that cake, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, I know what you mean. How about you, Slice and God?
Yeah, I'll
Baby
unmute him.
died. How about you, Zai?
Me personally, I think I'm gonna go for a Latino.
Bet. Alright, see you guys.
Alright. I mean, you can be in here. Once I get done with y'all, I'm gonna move y'all down. So thank you, Maroon, for speaking. I'm gonna move you down now.
I got a question.
What?
I got a question.
What, Brizo?
What is my question? Is my mic
Yeah, I
on?
can hear you.
Yeah, we can hear you. We can hear you.
Okay.
Alright, Maroon, I'm gonna move you down so it's just a one-on-one.
Okay.
Alright, Brizo. What's your favorite snack when you just wake up in the morning?
My favorite snack is what the. Okay, so anyways, my favorite snack is I'll say first bag of Doritos.
Yeah, what flavor? What flavor?
What flavor?
Yeah.
Ranch. I start off with ranch.
Cool Ranch?
Yeah, Cool Ranch. I started with Cool Ranch.
Yeah, alright, that's W flavor. Alright, it's lunchtime. You already had lunch. You ain't got no money in your pocket. You gotta make something. What you making?
Like, so everything is at home, right?
Yeah. You can't order nothing. Because you broke in this scenario.
I'll make me some noodles.
Alright. I see you. Gonna play it simple. Alright. It's nighttime. You just woke up. You know, middle of the night. You go downstairs. You ain't gonna wake anybody up. What you getting to eat?
What's that mooncake pie? Yeah, that mooncake. What is it called?
I don't know.
It's a mooncake something.
Mooncake pie?
It's mooncake something. Yeah, yeah. Ah, what is it? Yeah, mooncake pie. Mooncake pie.
Alright. I mean, I personally never heard of that. So for me, in the morning, I'd go for like a bowl of cereal or a bag of chips or like Pirate's Booty, the white cheddar flavor. And then for the lunch scenario, I ain't got no money. I'll probably do like cook me up some ramen noodles. Like use that. Some noodles. And then I get some Tostino's pizza rolls on the side. Also with some like
Yes, sir.
like maybe some like you know the ravioli cup things?
Yep.
Yeah, I also cooked me one of those. Eat it all up. And then for dinner in the middle of the night, I ain't wake nobody up. I'll probably just get a bag of chips and a Canada Dry. Alright. Thank you for participating in this video. Alright.